Hi guys, Master Coach Tony Morgan. Quick video on this installation, what we've just done. What we did, we took out a Gledhill Electromate 2000, which was like a big wardrobe, if anyone knows what they look like. We put this new electric combi boiler instead. So I'm just going to quickly show you, spin around the camera and you'll see. So this is it, the new boiler. So like I said, it was right up to the top there, that boiler. It took the whole of this area completely. You couldn't put your fingernail between the wood at the side. Yeah, so now they've got this space saving boiler. It's going to save them a lot of money. It's going to save a lot of money on their electric bills, because this is a high efficiency band A boiler. So if you've got a Gledhill Electromate 2000 and you live in an apartment like this particular one's in Altrincham, but they're all over the place. If you've got one of these electric boilers, then we can put this one in instead for you. So that's me in my short video on this boiler, and hopefully we could install one for you as well. So bye for now.